So welcome to this quick video tutorial of how to use our design platform. So here's the login. Here's where we start. If we don't have an account, we just put create an account and we can start completing all of the fields. So in this area, we're gonna start completing all of the information that we need to create an account, our personal information, as well as the clinic information. So once I started, I can just put my email and my password and I be redirected to the dashboard. Submit a new case and I can select whatever I want. I will start with a diagnostic WhatsApp. So I put add to cart and then I have to fill the treatment information. So I can use the patient's number or I can use codes here if I don't want to release the patient's data. So the type of treatment it's defined as a diagnostic WhatsApp. And here we can select whatever tip we want involved. We can describe whatever we want to achieve. So if it's a motivational mockup, smile design, or whatever detail that we want to put on the technical case notes, maintain, incisal edge, improve, smile curve, or whatever information we want to add on this free notes. So then in the aesthetic and functional preferences, we can correct many things. So we basically gonna select if we want to correct misaligned teeth as much as possible or not. In case of aligner planning, this is very important. So if the WhatsApp is going to be additive, or if we need to remove or extract digitally tooth, then here is where we're going to mark. So what's going to happen with the vertical dimension? I can keep the exact, I can open the bite, or I will probably make the ideal. So the ideal will be basically based on the incisal edge position. If I want to maintain whatever the central incisors are, or if I want to add or reduce, I just change it here. What's going to happen with the face midline if I want to maintain or correct it? We can select also if it's going to be only on the lower and the upper. And here, same with the gum line. If I want to if I have, for example, two different central incisors and I want to correct this line, well, this is where I place it. So probably they're going to do a gingivectomy or whatever based on the WhatsApp. So if this is a mock-up WhatsApp or it's a final WhatsApp over a tooth prep, then also here we can mark that. And are we going to print in-house, like in the dental office, or do you want someone else to print it for you and ship? Here is where you can select. So now here we have different options. And basically, we can just drag and drop the files. So if I want to upload the SCL, I can upload several SCLs here. And we have also the picture area. So the most important for us is the frontal facial smile. But sometimes we also want the rest position to establish well where the incisal edge is going to be. And sometimes when the lips are almost covering the whole tooth, we need the facial retracted smile. So other files that we also use are face scans, Mojo files for dynamic movements, or CBCTs. You can also drag and drop or choose from a folder. And here, if you want to add some more extra instructions for the designers, this is the place. So we're going to just add motivational mockup. And then we confirm and the order is sent. So yeah, basically here you have the contact information and the payment options. So you place the order, and once you place, you will see the order details and the billing address. So if you go to the design center and to my account, sorry, you can see on the dashboard all the cases that you order and the order number. So you can do a follow up on whatever indications you placed, and you can also check on the files that you uploaded and just double check if you uploaded the correct file. So yeah, that's basically it. Very easy. You can start sending your cases.